this airplane used to do that years ago. I mean, last year.
Yeah.
They fixed that.
Most airplanes will do that when you're going too fast on it.
Okay.
So.
Orcas traffic says now 152 Tango upwind for the south departure. Orcas. I don't fly through this. Would you?
No.
Okay. Is it hot in here or is my...
No.
It's not hot?
No. I feel it's good.
Okay. I feel like my feet are...
Your feet?
Yeah, kind of hot.
Where the nose wheel will start to cartwheel like that. Just like gently encouraging it and like letting the airplane take off on its own.
Okay. You're awesome, Ashley. Thank you very much.
Just try it.
An airplane flying behind, below us.
Oh, yeah.
Orcas, Friday Harbor traffic, Cessna 152 Tango, about to cross Paine Field for the right downwind 16 full stop, Friday Harbor. Friday Harbor traffic, Cessna 152 Tango, crossing Paine Field 16 for right downwind 16 full stop, Friday Harbor. Friday Harbor traffic, Cessna 152 Tango, right downwind 16 full stop, Friday Harbor. 1500 wide arc. 10 degrees. 10 degrees. Okay. Friday Harbor traffic says now 152 Tango, right base 16 full stop, Friday Harbor. Yeah, 20. 70 knots.
And of course, traffic, 51 Echo turning right downwind, runway 18 departing to the north, and of course.
Friday Harbor traffic is now 152 Tango, final 16 full stop, Friday Harbor.
Friday Harbor traffic, Skywagon 1500, Crane Island, inbound for straight in number 216, Friday Harbor.
Okay.
Yes. More power. More power. More power.
There.
Yep. Oops.
Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.